How to fix Telegram download problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Telegram application from your device and make sure that you're logged in. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on settings. Now it will look something like this. Then tap on data and storage and tap on storage usage. After that, you can see the option of clear cache. Select on clear cache. After that, scroll down and make sure that your cache size is at the maximum level, nothing less than that. After that, go back to the home screen of the device and then tap on the settings of the device. Now scroll down until you find the option of apps and then select on manage apps. Now here on the search bar, you can search for Telegram application. So just type Telegram. Now select the application and at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the option of clear data. Select that and then select on clear cache. Okay. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.